Assalamualaikum, my name is Salih Hamdi Bedurrahman, matric number 2110611210. Greeting to our lecturer Dr. Fazlan for conduct this lab. For the assignment to FMB conveyor control with the Siemens PRC S7 1500, I create a simple PID system from the to filling the water tank and in the same level every time I discharge it. So for the conveyor system, it start from the raw material, it will be lit by the machine, and it will have the two station for the raw material, cap station and bottle station, and it will combine in one station, and it will be salting by the salting part by the vision sensor. After the sorting, it will be filling the water by discharge the water in water tank and filling into the bottle. So that is my purpose introductions. Okay, for the next is this is my ladder diagram in the main OB in the tier portal. So this function is for connect to the factory I/O. This function is for production line. This is discharge level valve tank. So like I said before, there is no connection between for the PID in the discharge valve. So for the cycle interrupt, the first is level meter analog scaling, and for the second network is the flow meter analog scaling, and the last one is for the PID controller. When I press the auto button, so what value I set in the set point will be auto filling the water tank, and so here this is fill valve, so the filling water tank. So this is in the PID compact, so I set the 0 to, and the higher limit is 500, so means when it reach the 500 it will full in the tank water. So this is HMI data. And for the production line here, when I press the start button, the memory will set the all conveyor and the bottle lid center start. Also it will start the cap base center start, and the center and the conveyor in the cap base. So when I press the stop button, will be an emergency button, which is the physical button. It will reset all these components. So it also start the second conveyor here. In this, for the counter, when the bottle exits, it will count, and when I press the stop system, it will reset, or I can reset it manually using the reset counter button. Same for the cap counter. So next, this is my PLC text. This is my home screen. There I set here is only the alarm here, and of course it have password, and technician can access both, and operator only can access bottle control button. So this is the tank system. This is for the bottle system conveyor, and this is the only alarm that I set here. This is for example for my alarm. So when I start the system here, the HMI will be show the level liquid low in tank, because in the factory I/O, so here don't have the water. So we can start the conveyor system using here is operator. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we can access here the operator. So we set here first. When we start the system from the raw material here, raw material, we can see raw material will take into the lead machine. Lead machine, this is for the cap, so it will go to the same conveyor and be sorting here. So this is the filling for the water. So when you touch the sensor, water will start filling into the stock. So when they start filling, the discharge valve will on. So next we can go to the discharge. So here only technician can access CH. So here is 1 2 3 4 5 8 5 times. So we set here for 200, 200, and we start enter the volume. It will auto filling. So when we auto filling, we can also see here in off and off. It will continue when we on the discharge valve and off the discharge. It will continue filling the water tank automatic by the PID system. So we can see here we have cap and the bottle. So cap will be the next sorting, and when the water touch the sensor, discharge valve will filling the water and stop filling when it touch the stop filling sensor. So that's my operation.